Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, April 20, 2023, the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin have all decreased compared to yesterday. The price of Bitcoin to Tether is 28,331.03, a decrease of 3.07%. The price of Ethereum to Tether is 1932.28, a decrease of 2.44%, and the price of Binance Coin to Tether is 317.1, a decrease of 2.49%.
Latest news.
Terraform Labs co-founder Kwon faces Montenegro indictment, Bloomberg. Kwon, co-founder of Terraform Labs, was arrested and charged with forgery in Montenegro last month. He is now facing extradition requests from both his native South Korea and the US. Kwon had been on the run since last summer's collapse of the Terra ecosystem, which caused disruption in the cryptocurrency markets. Prosecutors in Montenegro have submitted an indictment proposal for Kwon, which is currently under review. Total value on liquid staking platform Agility Soars to $40 following Ethereum Shapella. This week, the liquid staking sector has seen a surge in attention following Ethereum's Shapella hard fork. Agility, an LSD liquidity distribution platform, has experienced tremendous growth in the past 2 weeks. Over $4 million has been deposited into Agility staking pools in the past 7 days, and its total value locked has increased by 643% since April 2. The AGI token has seen a 185% jump in price, and its 24-hour trading volume has risen to over 9.5 million. Although it has been performing well, caution is advised due to the token's code allowing privileged accounts to mint more GI and pause activity. The liquid staking sector is on the rise, with Ethereum's Shapella hard fork enabling staking withdrawals and Agility's platform experiencing tremendous growth. With its token, GI seeing a 185% jump in price and over $4 million deposited into its staking pools, Agility is leading the way in the liquid staking sector. However, caution is advised due to the token's code allowing privileged accounts to mint more GI and pause activity. Credit agency giant TransUnion starts delivering credit scores for crypto lending. TransUnion, one of the 3 major credit agencies in the US, is teaming up with data security firm Spring Labs and DeFi identity and compliance software developer Quadrata to provide traditional, off-chain, credit scores for individuals when they apply for loans on blockchain-based protocols without compromising applicants' privacy. This service allows consumers to use their credit history and share their credit information in a secure way with any blockchain-based lending protocol, while also helping lenders improve their decision-making and risk management. TransUnion's latest effort is part of a larger trend in which traditional financial services and crypto markets have become more intertwined. TransUnion has announced a new credit scoring service that provides traditional credit scores for individuals when they apply for loans on blockchain-based protocols without compromising applicants' privacy. The service allows consumers to use their credit history and share their credit information securely with any blockchain-based lending protocol, helping lenders improve their decision-making and risk management. TransUnion is part of a larger trend that is bridging the gap between traditional financial services and crypto markets. Crypto trading firm Wintermute plugs into CoinRoutes' smart order routing system. Wintermute, a London-based crypto trading firm and liquidity provider, has announced its integration with CoinRoutes, a startup that helps crypto hedge funds and other investors get the best price on trades. The integration will provide CoinRoutes customers with greater choice and flexibility in terms of the liquidity providers they can access through the platform. With Wintermute's deep liquidity and CoinRoutes' smart order routing, clients can expect a higher quality of trading and more efficient execution. Crypto miner Bitdeer falls 35% since Nasdaq debut, reports net loss in 2022. Bitdeer Technologies, a Singapore-headquartered cryptocurrency miner, has gone public through a merger with a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC. Despite a net loss reported in 2022, the company achieved a positive adjusted net profit and adjusted EBITDA for the year. Bitdeer plans to increase its power capacity from 775 megawatts to 1524 megawatts in the future. Bitcoin trades below $29,000, Ether slips as market eyes Europe's MiCA vote. Cryptocurrency markets experienced mixed activity on Thursday, with Bitcoin and Ether falling during Asian trading hours. Global market concerns over inflation persisted, with Asian equities closing mixed and U.S. futures declining. The European Parliament is set to vote on the markets in crypto assets, MiCA, bill today, which has traders remaining cautious. Dogecoin was the day's biggest gainer, with Litecoin being the biggest loser. The forecast 500 NFT index dropped 1.82% on the day. EU Parliament approves crypto licensing, funds transfer rules. The European Union has taken a major step towards regulating crypto assets, voting to approve 2 laws that will require operators to identify customers and maintain sufficient reserves. The markets in crypto assets regulation and the transfer of funds regulation were both passed with overwhelming support, and will come into effect in June 2021. This move provides a legal framework for the crypto industry across the EU and is a major milestone in the regulation of digital assets. CoinFund leads $8M round for decentralized database firm Tableland. Tableland, a decentralized cloud database, has raised an $8 million Series A LED by crypto-focused investment firm CoinFund. The round was joined by Multicoin Capital, Blue and Capital, bringing Tableland's total funding to $4 million. The funds will help support Tableland's mainnet launch, the release of new developer tools, and the debut of Tableland Studio. Tableland offers an easy-to-use, permissionless relational database that uses SQL to create reusable data blueprints for decentralized games, applications, and non-fungible tokens. Tableland's incentivized testnet is planned for the 4th quarter of 2021, with the production mainnet following in early 2024. Tableland Studios, a developer platform for designing and reusing relational database models, is preparing for an initial release for beta testers. DeFi-Focused Layer E Berachain raises Soars 2M Series A at $420.69 valuation. Berachain, a Layer 1 blockchain focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, has announced a successful $400 million Series A funding round at a valuation of $400.69 million. LED by Polychain Capital and supported by Hack VC, Delphi, Tribe Capital, Shima Capital, Robot Ventures and several undisclosed centralized crypto exchanges. The project was launched by 4 pseudonymous founders, who are self-described crypto natives. Berachain aims to create more liquidity and capital efficiency on-chain, allowing staked assets to be used in DeFi protocols. The Bera ecosystem has over $250 million in committed capital, and will launch a public incentivized testnet in the coming weeks. Berachain, a Layer 1 blockchain focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, has announced a successful $400 million Series A funding round at a valuation of $400.69 million. LED by Polychain Capital and supported by a number of investors, the project was launched by 4 pseudonymous founders, who are self-described crypto natives. Berachain aims to create more liquidity and capital efficiency on-chain, allowing staked assets to be used in DeFi protocols. The Bera ecosystem has over $250 million in committed capital, and will launch a public incentivized testnet in the coming weeks. Berachain, a blockchain-focused DeFi project, has announced a successful $400 million Series A funding round at a valuation of $400.69 million. LED by Polychain Capital and supported by a number of investors, the project aims to create more liquidity and capital efficiency on-chain, allowing staked assets to be used in DeFi protocols. The Bera ecosystem has over $250 million in committed capital, and will launch a public incentivized testnet in the coming weeks. Berachain, a DeFi-focused blockchain project, has announced a successful $400 million Series A funding round at a valuation of $400.69 million. led by Polychain Capital and supported by a number of investors, Berachain aims to create more liquidity and capital efficiency on-chain, allowing staked assets to be used in DeFi protocols. The Bera ecosystem has over 250 million in committed capital, and will launch a public incentivized testnet in the coming weeks. Berachain, a DeFi-focused blockchain project, has successfully raised 40 million in its series of funding round at a valuation of 460 million. Led by Polychain Capital and supported by a number of investors, the project aims to create more liquidity and capital efficiency on-chain, allowing staked assets to be used in DeFi protocols. With over 250 million in committed capital, Berachain will launch a public incentivized testnet in the coming weeks. Binance to support Terra, Luna, network upgrade. Binance has announced its support for the upcoming Terra, Luna, network upgrade scheduled for April 30th, 2023. Trading of Luna will not be affected, however deposits and withdrawals will be suspended. Binance will handle all technical requirements for users holding Luna in their accounts and notify users when the upgraded network is stable. This move shows Binance's commitment to supporting the growth and development of its listed cryptocurrencies and the safety of users' assets.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments. May you reap the rewards of your hard work and make a lot of money.